I'm Reed Glassman. I'm a semi-retired geologist and pushing about 68 years old.
I'm Caitlin Weber. I have 4 children, ages 1 to 7.
I'm Dominique Shirley, and I am 21 years old.
I have severe osteoarthritis, and over the last 10 years, I've noticed my knee pain increasing, and ultimately in the last year or two, I had issues where my knee was giving out.
After having my 4th child, I began to have some pain in my right hip, and it was very sudden and unexpected. And after meeting with doctors and a surgeon, they told me that I was going to need a total hip replacement.
I had my first surgery when I was 12. I tore my meniscus and had surgery to repair it. But like the most recent occurrence was when I was 20, and I tore my meniscus in the same knee again, except at this time it flipped over to the other side.
And I had painful moments where I just would collapse. And for me, it's pretty tough because I've done a lot of work in the out of doors.
I was walking on it for a couple of months, and the symptoms were like super bad, like it would like catch and lock.
I've had x-ray showed bone on bone and numerous bone spurs and other issues in my knee. And I went to Dr. Cohen up in Salem and found out that I was a prime candidate for knee replacement. So I went ahead in December of last year and had a total knee replacement on the left side, and been recovering from that over the last couple of months.
A close friend recommended that I come. She said that they would definitely be able to help me, and this wasn't an option that I was given, so I was really surprised.
I've had some issues with my lower back where I've gone to chiropractors and whatnot, and I've had the electrodes put on me and given kind of a shock treatment and some other things, and kind of told to do some exercises, but I've never really felt like they were that concerned with me.
The treatment's been going really well. I've been meeting with Mel, and she's just given me a lot of hope for things that we can do to build strength and alleviate a lot of pain. And she's just really been on my side and really cheerleaded me and coached me on, and it's been wonderful.
It honestly is a great place to come to. It's warm and inviting. The people here are just really personable, and it makes me feel really comfortable because it's been one of the struggles that I've gone through in life. So it makes me feel more welcome when they can relate and they have good information to relay to you, and it's just like a family.
And every time I come back then, I feel like I get a high five in a lot of good ways, and I'm very encouraged to continue going on. It's just been very, for me, very comfortable, very compassionate, very much. I've found relief from my pain and difficulties when I've come in here, and it's just been a good experience overall.
Even though it's supposed to be work and it's a rehabilitation kind of thing, they make it fun. It's just fun conversations, they take your mind off of it, and it doesn't seem like you're actually doing the work. It's just makes it seem like you're just coming here to do the work but also have fun in a way.
I've never been to physical therapy before, and so I had no idea what to expect at all. And they really just tailor the exercises to exactly what I need with my strengths and my weaknesses. And it makes me feel like I am just being really productive in building strength and recovery.
And the whole staff has been really great. I just feel like they're so welcoming and so helpful and encouraging. And we've had some other issues in the greater family, a cancer patient with my young grandson. And I've had lots of compassionate help here for that and encouragement. I just really appreciate everybody here.
I was so damaged by all the surgeries that I thought that I couldn't get through, and they have really helped lifted me up and make sure that I can see the goal at the end, because it's really hard at times when you are just in your own kind of groove And so they really make sure like if you stay on track, we've got you, like you can make it towards the end, and it's really like supportive.
I feel like a lot of physical therapy is because of an accident or an injury or an ailment or some kind of weakness. And so coming into physical therapy, they partner. I feel like they really partner with people to help them just have hope that they can recover, they can build that strength, and they're really personable about it also.
I haven't found any place else that I feel like this place is very unique, and I like it.
Really, wonderful. My whole experience here has been wonderful.
If you want someone like who cares about you and who wants the best interest, like who has your best interest, I would choose this place.
I've been telling all of my family every time they have an ailment, you need to go to Healing Motion. You need some physical therapy because I know they can help you. Yeah, I've been telling everybody.